I'm going to show you how to make sage essential oil, but I want to tell you that you should check with an aromatherapist or an aromatherapy book on the properties of sage oil, because it can be very strong and in high doses can have a sedative effect. But if you want to make it, you can take sage leaves and put them in a dark bottle and pack them in. You want it packed tightly all the way to the top. Don't see any bottle at all. And fill it full of anything from olive oil, almond oil, olive oil, or even your generic vegetable oil. And you're going to let that sit and let the oils come out of the sage leaves. It'll infuse into the vegetable oil and create a sage oil, essential oil for you that you can use very sparingly, very tiny amount, like a drop, and something that you want to make with it. But again, check with an aromatherapist or an aromatherapy book for the properties of sage oil and what you want to use it for. And that's how you make sage essential oil.